these YouTubers doing ring light review, they'll open it, they'll be like, wow, it's so bright. You were not expecting it to be bright. It should be dark. Hey guys, what's up? So I picked up something yesterday and I'm excited. And of course, I have to show you guys my YouTube fam. It's a massive ring light. I got it from a store in Banex. I'm not going to plug them because the guy was so annoying. He was so rude. Well, he wasn't rude to me, but he was rude to someone at the store, and I'm like, what's this? Anyway, you guys can probably see the name on the carton already, but I'm not going to say their name out here. And it came with a stand. It didn't come with a stand. I had to buy the stand separately, which does not make sense because why am I buying a ring light without a stand? Let me open it up for you guys so you guys can see what is inside. And I'm also going to be testing the brightness. As you can see, my lighting right now is whack. I'm using my old ring lights. So it comes in this carton and then comes in this bag. You have your ring light inside. While I'm doing this, let me just plug myself. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please click the subscribe button. It's literally free. This is the ring light. It's so massive. So let me show you guys what else is inside the box. Comes with a charger, obviously, and it comes with an adapter from the store itself. I like that because this is the mouth of the charger, and obviously in Nigeria we use the 3-mouth charger, so I like the fact that they put an adapter for you. And I also feel like this charger is very short. Like, look at how long it is. I feel like it's short. A remote to change the brightness. It comes with 2 phone holders. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Oh, and of course it wouldn't be complete if it does not have a mirror. Oh, and this is the stand. I don't know how long it is. It is 186 centimeters long. I don't know how to do that conversion, but you guys should just know that it is very, 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 very long. I think it's like 1.2 meters. I'm not sure. So they showed me how to do it at the store. Like at the store, they had to open it to check that everything was working. So you unscrew it here, and then you're not meant to unscrew it that hard. So you unscrew it here and open it. No, you drag it up like this, yeah, and then it can be like any height you want. And you can raise this up to like whatever height you want. So I'm just going to leave it like this. So yeah, it has this knob for you to, like, if you want to tilt it like this, if you want to tilt it like this. Oops. So here are the 2 phone holders. This one goes behind. And then in front here, fix this on top like this. There's actually another one you can put here. It comes with this. It's like a long thing, and then it connects to this. But I think when they were showing me at the store, the lady forgot to put it back, so I have to go back to their store to check for it. But for now, I will just use this one. It has these 2 knobs here. It has a knob here, and there's one behind it, behind this thing, to control the lights, the brightness. And it has battery spaces here. But of course, if the ring light does not come with stand, you don't expect it to come with battery, but you can buy the replaceable batteries, rechargeable batteries, and put them here. And it has the switch here, And I really like this. It has a USB port for like if you're filming and you want to charge your phone, you can just connect your charger here. So now let me connect it to lights and then show you guys how bright it is. Okay, so let me turn it on and turn it on with this. Oh no, why is it not coming on? Okay, so this is the ring lights. This is the yellow lights, and this is the white lights. And I think this is the mixed lights, and this is the white lights and the mixed lights. And yeah, you guys get gists. Let me give you guys some more added emphasis. Let me turn off my old ring light and turn off this one and then show you guys the difference. Okay, so this is me with just natural sitting room lighting, my old ring lights. Let me show you guys my old ring lights. It's so embarrassing. Yeah, this is my old ring light. And yeah, we upgraded from I think it's 4 inches to 23 inches. I'm actually excited about it because my room is very, very dark and I've never actually gotten to film in my room. So I'm happy because now I can finally film in my room. House lighting, and yep, this is what it looks like with the ring lights. So can you guys see the difference? I don't know which one is yellow, which one is mixed, but okay, this is white, this is mixed, this is warm or yellow. I obviously prefer the white lights, so that's what we're going with. Anyway, we come to the end of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, it is free.